Good morning and welcome to my channel, Porsche Minor Mechanics. This morning we are off to get the two rear tyres changed over on my new turbo wheels. It's been a while since I posted the video, what wheels did I buy. Obviously we all know now that I bought the turbo wheels, which I'm really pleased with. But a number of things have got in the way of proceeding with that task of getting them done and fitted. As you can tell, I am in the middle now of my new video every Thursday at launched at 10 AM. I'm going to do it throughout. I did one obviously towards the end of January, and I'm going to do them throughout February. I have a new modification that I'm going to do, my final mod, which I will reveal once we get the wheels on the car. So this one is all about the tyre shop and getting the tyres changed over. I've got a little bit of preparation to do on the car before the wheels go on for real. I'm contemplating the 15mm spacers, which I'll probably go with on the rear, to be fair. Don't need them on the front because I had 8Js on the front as standard with my classic Porsche wheels, and the turbo wheels are an 8.5, so they already sit out that little bit further just to fill the arch and complement the look even further. Whereas the rears, obviously they are exactly the same as my original classic wheels in terms of width and size, so they just need that little bit of oomph to draw them out a little bit and complete the look. So I haven't got those yet, but this video will probably be out towards the middle stroke end of February, so you'll be that'll be what the date is now. We're currently just beginning February, but I've got a couple more videos to run before this one hits the screens. Anyway, let's get there, and we're going to Jet Tyres in Benfleet at Manor Trading Estate. I've been using them for years for all my vehicles. I don't go in there very often, and this is the first time I've taken any Porsche business there, but they are amazing, a real professional outfit, and I can't think of anywhere better to go. Let's get there. Here we are, Jet Tyres, Manor Trading Estate, Jet Wheel and Tyres Performance Centre. Right, I'm going to pop in and meet James. I probably know him from previous business with cars, etc. But I thought I'll pop in and just say hi, because we're dealing with the video as well, so we're going to get a little bit of footage inside, hopefully, and get these tyres changed. So let's crack on.
And did you want the information on four wheels or the alarm checking so bad? Are you waiting for early wheels?
No, I have to wait for it.
I'll take your key. Do you want all the take? Doesn't help when you're only 500.
No. I actually think one of those rears has got a bit of damage on the inner drum.
On the face or on the drum?
No, on the centre of the drum somewhere. No, sorry, on the actual inner wheel. Like a dent, I don't know how it's been done. It might be on the face somewhere. I can't remember now.
More than likely potholes.
Yeah. Well, the thing was, I planned to go 20-inch on this.
Yep.
And after getting loads and loads of feedback on it, basically the 305 2520 is a bit of a rare tyre for starters.
Yeah.
Not an easy one to come by. And also a lot of people said that you go over a pothole, you're more than likely going to do your rim.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So, you know, it would have been nice to put a 20-inch on it, but if you're out and about or you're away and you get stranded, you need a tyre, you're not going to find one on a shelf somewhere, are you?
No.
And also, if you need to replace a wheel, then again, you've got another task on your hands, haven't you?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Done.
Do you want black or did you want silver white?
I'll have black.
Black, yeah.
They're graphic. Well, I wasn't expecting that. That tyre has clearly been run flat, hence the breaking up of the rubber, all beading inside, and also that damage to the rim as well. You know, the mind boggles when I think that I did the North Coast 500 on that tyre. You know, from the outside it looked absolutely fine, and all that was going on inside, and I had no idea. Luck was on my side running around on that. So obviously it's something that's not happened in my ownership. That tyre's not been off that wheel. In fact, none of the tyres have been off the wheels since I bought the car. So in actual fact, this wheel change has been a bonus, because I would have run around again this year, possibly doing the Nürburgring or back to Scotland or whatever. So I'm quite relieved. I wasn't banking on spending another 300 quid on the tyre, but nevertheless I'm quite relieved that everything's going to be sound. James has ordered me a tyre. It's going to be in this afternoon, so I'll go back later and get the rears fitted and balanced up and finished off. So yeah, there you go. See, you never know. Yeah, Michelin's are definitely the way I'd like to go. The trouble is, I'm never, with front and rears, I'm never at the same stage where I'm chopping them both, and it's probably not a good idea to mix them, is it? Or does it make a lot of difference?
On a car like that, it does.
Yeah.
I'd say, yeah. Just because you are, it's a high performance motor at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Big tight.
Needs stretching a bit. Cold weather don't help either, does it?
No. Below about 10 degrees, tyres are nightmare. They go rock hard.
What were you saying about the Michelin tyres, which were the better ones of the two? The Sport, not the Sport.
Pilot sport tyres.
Pilot Sport.
I would say go. You get one better road capability, and then you also get the other side of it as well. Like you get the sporty side of it. That's that one.
Lovely. Spend another few hours playing with it.
A little bit more. That you can just put on the drill. That's what we use. They're so quick. And that's that one.
Lovely. Well, that's it. Got the new tyre fitted. I've got to say a special thanks to Jamie, the fitter, for all his hard work and expertise, and of course Simon and James as well. So thanks to all you guys there at Jet Tyres Performance Centre for a cracking job, and I dare say I'll be seeing you guys soon. Right, we're back in the workshop with the tyre job complete. I'm relieved to have that out of the way, because now all that's stopping me really putting the wheels on is just having a little clean up of the calipers and the inner arches and just make sure that everything's good inside. So I've done the rear already, took the arch out and had a clean up, got rid of all the dirt and grime that was in there. It wasn't a great deal, to be fair, because I did it all last year. I cleaned out the little drain plug for the convertible roof. That's like a little circular thing with a rubber flap on it, and there was a bit of debris in there. After 12 months I was quite surprised, so clean that up. So what I'll do now, I'm just going to give you a sneak preview of the wheel. I've put the alloy, the new wheel, on because it's safer on the car than it is roaming around the workshop. But I will be taking it off again because I've ordered a set of 15mm OEM spacers. They should be with me hopefully within a couple of days, so they'll just finish that fulfillment of the arch beautifully and complement the front ones. So I'll clean the arch out. I'm gonna this is a picture of before, and they weren't that bad, to be fair. You know, like I say, it's only been a year and I've only done about 6,000 in it on the year. And this is a picture of after. Yeah, can you tell the difference? There's not a great deal in it. And this is the pair of them together. Yeah, there is a slight improvement. The spring looks a little bit more shiny, and so does the plastic inner arch as well. So anyway, I'm pleased with that. So let's take a look. I'll give you a sneak preview of one of my Porsche wheels on the car. Well, I must say I'm really pleased with the look and how it's going so far. We're so close now. I have ordered the 15mm rear spacers for the back wheels, and all I need to do now really is clean and have a check over the other arch on the rear and do the fronts, give the wheels a final little polish up with a bit of ceramic polish, and then I shall be done on the wheels. I'll get the car cleaned up, and then I'll be able to give you my final reveal for the season ahead of us. I can tell you that my next modification is going to be the Maxton design front splitter. A little bit controversial. I'll tell you this much so far, I have offered it up to the car, and I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to like it, but that will be quite a detailed video, so that's coming up in a week or so's time. So the next video will be the actual reveal with the new wheels and tyres and all the finished work, and then we're going to do the Maxton design front splitter for the 997.1. Anyway, thanks for watching. I won't do any feedback on this video, purely and simply because I'm running this so far ahead to keep on top of my every Thursday special that it just doesn't coincide. I haven't even got any feedback on the previous video yet because you haven't seen it. Keep watching, keep subscribing, like and share and whatever you can. I've got about 480, no it's not, it's 390 subscribers so far in under a year. It's the channel's birthday in March. I believe it's the 30th of March. I'll have to check that. I'm trying to get to 500, and I'll try and do something special if I get to 500. You could be my 500th subscriber. I'll do something for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now. Porsche One Mechanics signing off.